Ever wondered how to change the password for a locked chat in WhatsApp? I will show you how to do it so your conversations stay secure. Watch until the end, I've got a helpful tip to share. So let's get started. So firstly guys, open the WhatsApp on your device and afterwards from the chats tab just swipe up a little bit so you can see the locked chats. Simply click on them, scan your fingerprint or use PIN code to access them. And from this menu right here, click on the three-dot menu in the top right corner, access the chat lock settings and enable the secret code. So what I recommend, enter a new code. It can be a new set of digits or even an emoji. So let's enter a code, for example, 1234 and this one, and again, 1234. Tap next and re-enter the secret code. And pretty much click done and you have set up the new code for the locked chats. So verify the changes, make sure the new code works, enter your code just right here and pretty much click continue. And as you can see, everything works just perfectly. And as I said, using a favorite emoji as your password makes it harder to guess. So if this video helps you, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. That really motivates me to make more helpful videos. Thank you for watching until the end. See you in the next video. Bye.